How to upload longer reels on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to upload longer reels on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the plus icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply select Reels option. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the gallery section. Now from here, what you can do is simply select the videos which is longer than 60 seconds. And here, once you have selected the video that you want to post, then what you can do is simply tap on it. And after that, here, if you like, you can simply edit the reel. Here, you can add captions, music, and effects as well. And with that, once you're done doing all these things related to the editing, then you can simply tap on share now. And here, once you do it, the reels will be shared on Facebook. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.